guys, my name is Lihle. I go by the name of Lihle Croc on all my social media platforms. Today guys, I'll be showing you again how to do your head wrap. So guys, I've had I've had two of my subscribers that have told me that actually they've asked me, why these days are you busy with your head wrap? We want to see you, we want to see your vlog, we want to see what you do on your spare time. You want to see how you spend your day. But you know what, I told them that I've been trying to do some of the vlogs and I did not get more subscribers and I did not get more viewers. So I've decided to do what I like the most. It's not that I don't like to do other vlogs, but you know what, sometimes you just need to do what you know, to be creative. Let me put it that way. To be creative, I know that I'm creative in any way. I can do the crochet, I can do there's the painting, I can do a lot of things. So I said to myself, because you know that guys, the vlogs, it needs money and there's no ching ching. There's no ching ching yet. Sometimes you just don't have money to go out so that you can vlog, to go shopping and to go to the restaurant or anywhere else. But sometimes if you have something in your household that you can use to continue being consistent, at least you can just do that in the meantime while you're waiting to have at least that money to go out. Because guys, some of us, we are still financially stretched. But guys, I promise you one day you'll get my vlogs, and I think you'll get 2 or 3 videos of my head wrap tutorials, and then you'll get maybe 2 of my vlogs. And again in September I will be traveling to Mpumalanga on my vacation, so I can't wait. So you have to wait for that video. You're gonna have to wait for that video. I promise you guys, I will drop off a very nice video. And yeah, but for now guys, I will be showing you how to do your head wrap. Sometimes you just don't wanna go to work, or you don't want to go to church, or you don't want to go to anywhere that you'd want to go with your hair. Or sometimes you know if you see a lady wearing a toque, sometimes it's because she didn't have time to do her hair. Like right now I have braids, so it's been like 2 weeks. If it's about a month, you know that it's growing, your hair is growing underneath, so you just need to redo them, but you don't have time to do it. So I rather wear the toque. Yeah, the tutorials guys, the tutorials. So without wasting any time, let's get onto it.
Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it. I've been to New York and I've been to Houston, and nothing's better than you, girl. Came to conclusion, yeah. 22 and you've been through things that you never should have ever been through. Girl, I know you're 22 and you've seen something that you never should have been exposed to. Yeah, who I got protect you when you feel you are in danger. You know what I know, no new man, you know I'm not stranger. You want to know what you're comfortable. You want to believe it, you're comfortable. I know, I can't let you go. I know. missus, I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah, missus, I got things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it.
I testify for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch. I do it all. I won't cry, was kidding. I'm not. Long if you joking, now answer me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming, do it. I your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I get lost when I'm with you. Scarface, the white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. The stage is argument back up to my place. Sex from argue, I'm not violent on you, day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Body warm when you're not here, I'm saying. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just do it, boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just do it, boy. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, without you, I keep on running.
So this duke it's long. I'm not sure of the meters though. I'm not sure of the meters. So I fold it in between, and then I'm going to fold it again like this, folding it into 2 into 4 now. So I'm going to fold it again. Okay, and I'm gonna put it together like this to make it equal. See, like that. And then I'm gonna use this elastic band then I'm gonna tie it. I've tied it like this, guys, like this, if you can see. And then I'm gonna wrap it around. It's up to you if you wanna close your ears or you don't wanna close your ears. So it is all up to you. And then, but with me, I always decide to close my ears. You see, at back. You see how tight it is, and then you just need to style it here the way you want it to be styled. With mine, you can use the pins if you want, but with me, I'm not gonna use any pins. Sorry guys, I'm watching the mirror from the mirror just to see if I'm still doing zona.
I trusted you. So sad when love will make you do all the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak 'cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me, when it all remains the same. That you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and though my heart can't take no more, I keep on, no more. See, my days are cold without you. And though my heart can't take no more, no more.
My daughter doesn't want me to do like this, so she was like, oh mom, you must stop doing this. But now that you have done your nails, so you can just start doing it. Okay, here is my other style. Hope you like it, guys. Hope you fall in love with my video and stay. Please stay, guys. And to those who haven't subscribed, those who have been watching and not subscribing, please guys, please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. I have reached my 200 subs, so now I'm on the road to 500 guys. Please subscribe.
And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all over me, baby, baby, and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, then dip me underway. You can feel my foot flow. Hold me till I scream forever, and wash me over until my well runs dry.
Okay guys, this is my last style. Hope you watch my video until the end. Hope you like my video and like my channel, and stay guys and become a Croc family. please don't forget to like, comment on how, guys, you can give me tips on how you'd want me to create the head wrap for you. Just ask me anything, or share yours with me on how do you do your head wrap. So guys, please again, do not forget to like, comment, share again, share with your friends, share with your families, guys, because we know that we always go to our traditional weddings, or you know, any event, a woman's event, and the Women's Day is coming on the 9th of August. So I know that you guys will need this tutorial. You will need this tutorial. So guys, and again, do not forget, guys, to watch the ads. I'm on the road to 500. I can't wait, guys. Please subscribe. I love you guys, and I will see you guys on my next channel. I'll see you guys on my next video. I love you all. Hope you keep yourself warm in this chilly weather. Bye guys, love you all.